You may remember we were talking about the indicator developed by Murat Mahmudov and David Puel called MVRV, or Market Value to Realized Value Ratio. And basically this is the ratio of the capitalization of Bitcoin to its realized capitalization. And realized capitalization is different from the regular one in the way that the price of the coins based on their UTXOs, so when the coins were mined or when they are moved last time. And at the point when this indicator was introduced, it basically showed the bottoms and highs of the cryptocurrency market, or Bitcoin price in particular, in a very smooth fashion. It spotted the transitions point as well. And after that, of course, a lot of the other on-chain indicators were developed. But recently, analysts from Sandbase returned to this MVRV indicator and made an upgrade of that called BTC long short MVRV difference. And let's see what is different from the regular one. Basically, they are looking at the coins which were moved in the fixed number of last days. For example, 365 days, 1 year, right? Or 60 days, or actually some other terms. They looked at different time spans. By having this time-dependent MVRV, they made a conclusion that actually during the bull market, 1 year MVRV is bigger than 60 days MVRV, and during a bear market it is opposite. So it means that during the bull market the long-term holders have more profits, and because they don't sell during the growth, and basically when they started to sell we saw the end of the bull market. On the other hand, during the bear market, long-term holders of course do not profit at all, and the short-term traders or holders, when they try to catch those swings of the price, they are more profitable. So basically when we see the change between these two time-dependent MVRV curves, when the long-term one starts to go above the short-term one, is basically the indication when the long-term holders have more profit, or in other words when bull market started. And this is basically what they claim. Valentin Mihov made a tweet on that just very recently. Their indicator based on the difference between this long and short MVRV approached zero level, and you can see that it did it in 2015, it did it in previous cycle as well. Of course it's not the perfect spot when we have the bottom or something, but it's the point when we have the transition from the bottom and accumulation phase to the new bullish part of the cycle. So first point here is that we may say congratulations, we are in the new bull market with very high probability. And the second point is that at this stage probably trading is at least not that much profitable comparing to simply holding. And as many people mentioned in the previous bull market, just holding through the whole period of time when the Bitcoin was growing is more profitable than trying to catch those swings in the price. They also mentioned that in principle you can get the access to this indicator on their website sentiment.net, and in fact they have more data here, a lot of interesting metrics, so go ahead and take a look. I think it is important to be aware of such analysis, and moreover I think now we are looking at Bitcoin, but soon more and more data will appear in a similar fashion about Ether, about other altcoins. So let's be up to date on that in order to maximize our profits on the crypto market. And that is it for today, guys. I hope it was useful. Thank you for watching.